Hello and welcome to my video lecture on the use of compound operators and incrementing with numbers. So quite often, for a variety of reasons, you need to you can use compound operators. You don't have to use compound operators. I'm going to show you how to use the compound operators. One of them is right here. If we add in a PHP tag, we can concatenate the first name with a P. The same exact thing happens if I simply say, simply use first name again with concatenation operator. So these two are exactly the same, right? So you will see this used quite often in code. Just don't want you to be thrown off by it. We will comment this out, and since I am in the HTML part of the code, I'll have to use HTML comment that out. So that's going to get commented out. Then what I'm going to do is let's do some math. So here we've got age equals 21. So let's get this person to age a little bit, shall we? So what we're going to do is, oh, actually I didn't end my span here. Just noticed that. So I'm going to end that span. Ooh, that's what happened. I was wondering. Here, and then that's more common. And I didn't end this span either. Wow, what was I thinking? So, I'm going to add my end span tags. And then at the end of this span, I'm also going to add in some breaks. Well, I won't put in the breaks there. So I'm going to copy this section out. I'm going to do it a couple of times. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this person to age. Right, so I'm going to take their age, and if I do equals age plus 1, right, that is going to be what I'm going to display. So that's going to be echoed out. I can do the same thing with a much simpler operator, like that. And that does essentially the same thing. Now, if I'm just incrementing by 1, I can also do this. I can do a plus plus, and that does the same thing. So you'll see that here it'll be 26, here it'll be 22, here it'll be 23. So let's save that. Go back here, refresh this, and then, it only kept it as 22. So it incremented it there, and then it incremented it again there. Oh, but it didn't change this. Well, it incremented it there, so it went from 21 to 22, but because this is a different PHP echo, I think it went back to what the age was when it went to increment it. So you get the idea. So that's how you would use the concatenation operators, the compound operators, and incrementing in your PHP code.